Welcome to another exciting installment after living room to hallway. In this part 2, here we continue our exploration of blending rustic charm with modern elegance. In this video, we delve deeper into transforming your home with rustic interiors infused with a contemporary twist.
The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give your comments and likes.
From the heart of your laundry room to the intimate corners of your home theater, join us as we reveal how to infuse warmth and style into every space. Picture a harmonious blend of wood, stone, and metal, crafting rooms that are not only grounded and inviting, but also brimming with character. Each room we explore tells a unique tale, where rustic textures bring forth warmth and simplicity, complemented by modern elements that enhance functionality and add a touch of sleek sophistication. Stay tuned as we uncover how you can effortlessly achieve this exquisite balance in your own home. Let's get started. Rustic modern for laundry room. The laundry room may often be overlooked, but it's a space that can benefit from rustic charm. Start with vintage-inspired wooden shelving or a weathered wood countertop for folding clothes. Modern appliances, like a sleek washer and dryer, blend in seamlessly while ensuring functionality. For storage, rustic cabinets can house laundry supplies, while open shelving above can display baskets or jars filled with essentials. Industrial lighting fixtures or pendant lights with exposed bulbs add a bit of modern flair, and a neutral color palette keeps the room feeling calm and organized. Add textured accessories, such as woven laundry baskets or rustic wooden pegs for hanging clothes, which create a cohesive, stylish look. The result is a laundry room that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing, merging practicality with warmth. Rustic modern for mudroom. The mudroom is a space where practicality meets rustic charm. A vintage bench, made of reclaimed wood, serves as a perfect place to sit and remove shoes, while modern storage solutions, like sleek metal hooks and minimalist shelving, keep everything organized and out of sight. The walls can feature rustic shiplap or beadboard paneling, providing a sense of structure and tradition. A large mirror with a distressed frame adds functionality and style, and modern touches, like contemporary light fixtures or a bold color on the walls, prevent the space from feeling too outdated. With its combination of rustic textures and modern designs, the mudroom becomes a welcoming and functional entry to the home. Rustic modern for basement. The basement is often an underutilized space, but it's the perfect place to combine rustic charm with modern aesthetics. Exposed brick walls or wooden beams create a warm, earthy atmosphere, while concrete floors or polished stone add a modern touch. Consider mixing vintage furnishings, like a rustic wooden bookshelf, with contemporary furniture, such as sleek leather chairs or minimalist coffee tables. The basement can be transformed into a multi-purpose space, whether it's a cozy family room, an entertainment area, or even a modern home bar. Industrial lighting, such as metal pendant lights or track lighting, provides brightness without overwhelming the space. With the rustic elements grounding the design and the modern touches providing sophistication, your basement becomes a welcoming and functional area for the whole family to enjoy. Rustic modern for attic. The attic offers a unique opportunity to embrace both rustic and modern aesthetics. Exposed rafters and wooden beams add rustic character, while sleek, modern furniture keeps the space feeling open and functional. A reclaimed wood floor or vintage area rug complements the rustic vibe, while clean-lined furniture, such as a contemporary chair or a minimalist desk, provides the modern touch. Large windows or skylights allow natural light to flood the space, making it feel airy and bright. Soft, neutral colors on the walls, along with carefully chosen accessories like throw pillows or art pieces, create a calm, welcoming retreat. The attic becomes a space that's cozy and full of charm, combining rustic warmth with modern convenience. Rustic modern for sunroom. In the sunroom, rustic charm is brought to life through the use of natural materials and an abundance of light. Wooden furniture, such as a rustic wooden bench or a farmhouse-style table, serves as the foundation of the space, while modern touches like sleek metal light fixtures or contemporary planters add contrast. The walls of glass allow for a constant connection with nature, letting the outdoors in. Consider adding plush cushions and cozy throws to the furniture, blending comfort with style. The overall effect is one of tranquility, where rustic warmth and modern design come together to create an ideal space for relaxation, reading, or enjoying a cup of tea. Rustic modern for patio. On the patio, rustic charm meets modern outdoor living. A reclaimed wood table serves as the centerpiece for outdoor dining, paired with sleek, modern chairs made from metal or resin. A stone fire pit adds a rustic, cozy vibe, while modern touches, like minimalist planters and contemporary outdoor lighting, bring an elegant contrast. The patio's floor might feature natural stone or wood decking, enhancing the connection with nature. Lush greenery in the form of plants or hanging planters brings the outdoors closer, creating a space that's both functional and beautiful. Whether you're hosting a gathering or simply relaxing, the patio becomes a perfect blend of rustic and modern styles. Rustic modern for Playroom. The Playroom is an area where fun and functionality come together in a rustic modern blend. The walls might feature rustic wood paneling or playful wallpapers with a vintage feel, while contemporary storage solutions, like modern shelving units and storage bins, help keep toys organized. A wooden play table and chairs, perhaps made from reclaimed wood, provide a natural, grounded feel, while vibrant, modern rugs bring energy and color to the room. The lighting can range from industrial-style pendant lights to sleek, minimalist fixtures, adding style while ensuring the room is well lit. The Playroom becomes a place where kids can be creative and active in a space that's both stylish and comfortable for adults. Rustic modern for library. In the library, rustic wooden bookshelves frame the space, filled with books, art pieces, and knickknacks. A large, modern armchair or sofa invites reading and relaxation, while a sleek glass or metal coffee table provides a contemporary touch. Exposed beams or reclaimed wood paneling create a timeless atmosphere, and industrial-style lighting, perhaps a floor lamp with a vintage feel, adds character. A mix of vintage and modern artwork on the walls invites visual interest, while a neutral color palette keeps the room serene and inviting. The library becomes a cozy haven, where rustic charm and modern minimalism come together seamlessly. Rustic modern for home theater. Finally, the home theater combines rustic elements with cutting-edge technology. Wooden paneling on the walls or rustic decor touches, like reclaimed wood framing the screen, add a sense of warmth and character. Modern, plush seating and sleek designs ensures comfort, while a large flat-screen TV or projector brings the latest in cinema technology into the space. Lighting is key here. Modern sconces or recessed lighting create the perfect ambience without distracting from the experience. With rustic textures grounding the design and modern tech enhancing the viewing experience, the home theater becomes a space where relaxation meets style. We have presented all the rooms in a combination of rustic and modern styles, which you can use as inspiration when building a new house or undergoing a makeover. Thank you for watching.